Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We have already dedicated 3 videos to this dress and we changed it to simple sweater for cold weather. And today we will show you the modeling of a stylish sweater without a pattern. This sweater will be made of Loden with trimmed barrels. There will be a seam in the center of the front. As a basic pattern, we will take the pattern of a wool dress that was built last week. To get a sweater, we will work with a neckline, build the cutout barrels and slightly narrow the sleeve. Then we will cut the details on the fabric. In addition, you will learn how to properly sweep in the sleeve and how to assemble the front and back parts. At the end of today's video, we will show you the review. You will see how stylish clothes from Loden look. Okay, let's stop talking and start working on a cozy and warm sweater. All attention to the table. Here we have an armhole. I extend my shoulder and we set aside 8 centimeters from the center to this point and deepens down by 3.5 centimeters so that we can put such a sweater on a shirt. 3.5 and 8. I cut off 2 layers at once, the front and back. The back is ready. We will work with the front. To the front I add 1.5 centimeter to the balance. Now I will draw everything so that you understand. This is our first line. Now we have everything ready for the neckline and it only takes 2 minutes. Here we add 1.5 centimeters in height. Now from this point downwards we set aside 5 centimeters. From this point here we draw a round beautiful cutout. So what about now? We'll look at the sketch. I have 2 fabrics, dark pink and pearl, a bit gray. I put this color aside from now and we'll look at the sketch. Our pattern is almost ready. There will be a seam in the center of the back. The whole sweater will be dark pink. Now we need to draw one line, front, back. What is the difference between a pattern and a dress that there is no fit? All the lines are straight. From the shoulder, I set aside 6 centimeters. Like this round, front. This is the front, back. Now I cut. Obviously, I cut better than paint. The line is very beautiful, dark fabric sleeve. I will cut these barrels from light Loden. Our sketch is very similar. I want to narrow my sleeve here by 2 centimeters. I pinned the pattern and now I will cut out all the 1 centimeter allowances except for the neckline. The neckline will be 7 millimeters. I'm going to cut it out behind the camera so that the video doesn't get too long. Let's cut one piece on the camera. Likewise, I will now cut the back and sleeve. Behind the camera, I swept the center of the front and the center of the back. Look, this is a front. I will remove this detail. On this part, I need to mark 2 centimeters. And your first question will be why 2 centimeters? Because we added 1 centimeters per seam. At this point, I apply a cloth. Everything matches. I will mark 2 centimeters here now and start sweeping. Oh my god, I already love it so much. Okay, all your attention need to be here. I ended up with shoulder and side, left sleeve, right sleeve. And I sweep one of the sleeves on camera and one behind the camera. I really like the color combination. Write me in the comments section, do you like these colors? One sleeve is ready. We sweep the second behind the camera. Our first fitting. I wanted to consider this sweater. I put it on my naked body, no shirt. This is the end for today's video. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!